Okay guys, so in this module we are going to install Google Chrome to our computer. So you can see I am in the official Google Chrome website. So I have to click over this download Chrome, okay, and click over this accept and install. So you can see my Google Chrome setup installer has downloaded. Open up that, click run, and you are good to go. So yeah, you can see it's downloading quickly. This is the tool most developer use. So Google Chrome comes with a lot of development tools. You can inspect the websites with it and do, and it's just extremely fast. That's why most of the developer use it. Yeah, hold on a second. Okay, just taking some time. So yeah, it's installed. Okay, look at this, our first Google Chrome tab. If you are already using Google Chrome, you can sign in from here and sign in all of your recent data uh, with it, or just click over get started and skip these things. Okay, skip, no thanks. Okay, yeah, so our Google Chrome is successfully installed. So this is it guys, I will see you in the next video.